Afternoon, everybody. This is Dave Blanhart with the Arizona Elk Society. We're over here at the AES headquarters. We're going to go ahead and do those raffles from yesterday. We'll start off and find out who that lucky winner is for that Magnum Research, the Baby Eagle 3, the 9mm. Here we go. Okay. And that ticket number is 247-7549. 247-7549. So congratulations to Adam G. Adam will be giving you a call. And let's move over to the Henry Golden Boy. That ticket number is 1825897. 1825897. So congratulations to James W. James will be giving you a call. So congratulations to our winners, and thank you everybody for your continued support of Arizona Elk Society and Heroes Rising Outdoors.